Okay friends, this is the second part of the biology. The lesson name is Fundamental Unit of Life. Welcome friends to the Perfect Learning. I am going to discuss about difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells, nucleus and nucleolus are absent, whereas in eukaryotic cells, nucleus and nucleolus are present. Absent in prokaryotic cells, present in eukaryotic cells. Membrane bound organelles cannot be seen in prokaryotic cells, can be seen in eukaryotic cells. Membrane bound organelles can be seen in eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells contain a single chromosome, whereas in eukaryotic cells contain multiple chromosomes. In prokaryotic cells, reproduction is done by budding or fission, and whereas in eukaryotic cells, meiotic cell division or mitotic cell division. Meiotic or mitotic cell division. In prokaryotic cell, budding cell division or fission cell division. Okay. Next, cell membrane and plasma membrane. We are going to discuss about cell membrane and plasma membrane. These are the structure of the cell. Okay. It is a biological membrane that separates a cell's contents from its outside surrounding or external environment. Cell membrane is that separates cell's contents. It separates cell's contents from its outside surrounding or external environment. Properties: thin walled, elastic and semi-permeable. Cell membrane is thin walled, elastic and semi-permeable, made up of proteins and lipids. It is a living component of the cell. Cell membrane is living component of the cell, whereas cell wall is non-living. We will discuss in the upcoming slides. Next, functions. Function of cell membrane and plasma membrane: protects the contents of cells from its external environment. How our wall is protected by, think you are sitting in a room, the room has walls. Of course the room has walls and the wall will be protecting you. Same as this cell wall or cell membrane and plasma membrane protects the contents of the cell from its external environment. Next, its semi-permeable allows only selective materials. Why it is called as semi-permeable? It allows only selective materials to flow in and out of the cell. Next, riddle time, guys. I already said you one riddle in the last part of the video. I will tell that answer in this video. Okay. First, read this riddle. What is full of holes but still holds water? What is full of holes but still holds water? I will be telling this answer in next part of the video. Okay. Next, cell wall. We studied cell membrane and plasma membrane. The second topic is cell wall. Okay. The next important topic is our fundamental unit of life. Class 9 notes is the cell wall. Okay. It is a structural layer just outside the plasma membrane. It is surrounded the plasma membrane. See here. It is a structural layer just outside the plasma membrane. We can call plasma membrane as cell membrane. Okay, properties. Now we will study properties. Flexible, tough or rigid in some cells. Non-living and freely permeable. I said that cell wall is non-living. Okay, made up of cellulose. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. We will study functions. Protects the cell membrane. It protects the cell membrane. Cell wall protects the cell membrane. And it is majorly responsible for maintaining the shape and size of the cell. Cell wall is responsible for maintaining the shape and size of the cell. Next, okay. Next, prevents this cell from becoming flaccid and form drying layout. Prevents the cell from the becoming flaccid and form drying layout. Properties: flexible, tough or rigid in some cells, non-living and freely permeable. Made up of cellulose. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. Functions: protects the cell membrane. It is majorly responsible for maintaining the shape and size of the cell. Prevents the cell from becoming flaccid and from drying out. We will move to the next slide. Nucleus. Okay, we will study the topic nucleus. Nucleus refers to an organelle that is found in eukaryotic cells and contains the genetic material of the cell. It contains genetic material of the cell and it is present only in eukaryotic cell. Okay, properties. It is a spherical in shape and is enclosed in a nuclear membrane, also known as nuclear envelope. How the cell is covered by nuclear membrane? The nucleus is enclosed in a nuclear membrane. Sorry, cell is covered by cell membrane and nucleus is covered by nuclear membrane. The second property is contains a type of protoplasma called nucleoplasma, in which the nucleus is suspended. In the cell, liquid-like substance is present, that is called cytoplasma. In nucleus, the liquid-like substance is present, which is called nucleoplasma. Cytoplasma and nucleoplasma. Nucleoplasma can be called as protoplasma. The third property, the nucleus contains chromosomes that are made up of proteins and specific molecules of deoxyribonucleic acid or DNA. It is called as DNA. Chromosomes are therefore the carriers of the organism genetic material. Genetic material, DNA. Okay. The nucleus contains chromosomes that are made up of proteins and specific molecules of DNA. Okay. Next, functions. In functions, regulates nucleus functions is regulates the cell cycle and is responsible for cell division, protein synthesis, growth. Nucleus is responsible for cell division, protein synthesis, growth, etc. Controls the metabolic activity of cellular components. It controls the metabolic activity of cellular components. Next, controls the genetic characteristics of the organism. It controls the genetic characteristics of organism. Next, stores heredity material in the form of DNA. Nucleus stores heredity material. In which form? DNA form. In which form? Which form, friends? DNA form. Okay. We will move to the next point. That is, before moving to the next point, I will tell the answer of the riddle that had asked in the previous class or previous video. Okay, which is always in front of you but can't be seen. That is answer future. The answer is future. Okay, we will move to the next point. The point is cytoplasma. Okay, cytoplasma. It is thick jelly-like substance that is enclosed by the cell membrane and contains all the cell organelles except the nucleus. Friends, the cytoplasma is thick jelly-like substance which is enclosed by a cell membrane. Okay, and it contains all these cell organelles except nucleus. Except nucleus, it contains all these cell organelles. Keep it in your mind, friends. Except nucleus, it contains all the cell organelles. Okay, property. We will study about property. The cytoplasm is mainly made up of salts, proteins, and water. What are they? Salts, protein, and water. Salts, proteins, and water. This this aqueous liquid is called cytosol. Cytosol. Keep it in your mind. This cytosol. Okay, cytosol. And function. Now we will study about function. What is the function of cytoplasma? It facilitates protein synthesis and other metabolic reactions. It facilitates protein synthesis and other metabolic reaction. Okay. We will meet in the next part of the video. Tata, bye bye, see you friends.